Good day everyone, it's me again, Lorito Pulitan. Today I'm going to explain you topic about the procedure from preventing pollution of harmful substance is packaged for Annex 3. Annex 3 of MARPOL is about the safe transport of harmful substance that are packed in boxes, drums container or other types of package. Its main purpose is to protect the sea from pollution if these substances are accidentally spilled or damaged during transport. Dapat safe ang secured gyud ang pagtransport sa mga chemicals kay dakong damage ni sa mga nagpuyo sa dagat, plants or animals, and din maapektuhan sad ang mga tao if ever may tabo. To prevent pollution, all harmful substances must be packed properly using strong and approved packaging. The package should also have clear labels or making so that everyone knows they contain harmful materials and can handle them with care. Before loading the cargo onto the ship, the package should be checked for any damage or leaks. Ang mga damage package dili gyud na pwede i-load kay they can cause pollution and put people at risks delikado. The harmful substance should be stored securely on the ship to prevent them from moving, falling, or breaking during the voyage. The ship must also keep a list or document showing the location and details of all harmful substances on board. This way makatabang sa mga crew o respond quickly if naay emergency. If a package is damaged or accidentally falls into the sea, the crew should report the accident immediately to the proper authorities and follow the ship emergency procedures. By following the rules in Annex 3, ships can safely transport harmful substances while reducing the risks of polluting the ocean and protecting marine life.